It is 2 minutes to 2 o'clock in the morning right now, and I'm parked outside the gym getting ready to do a bicep workout. Lately I have been, training at different times of the day, sometimes even that late, or let's say early in the morning. Escape the crowd a little bit. At the beginning of the year, as you all know, it's pretty zoo-like in the gym sometimes. I wanted to bring up certain body parts, such as my arms, biceps, triceps, and that's why I have been giving them an extra session. So bicep gets an extra training session, and triceps as well. Started out with cable curls with the straight bar. Actually, I prefer the cable straight bar over the old school regular barbell straight bar curl because of its constant tension, and then it just feels like a more complete movement to me, with a peak contraction and still tension even at the bottom of the movement. So straight bar cable curl, 5 sets there, 12 reps, making sure I get a good squeeze. Then we went on over to the mass builder, I'd say. I think we've all seen Kevin Levrone do the 100-pound dumbbells in his video. Yeah, I'm not there yet. Only using 50 or 60 pounds, but it's still a great movement. Alternate dumbbell curls, 5 sets there. And it's like 6 to 10 reps, and I allow myself to do a little, cheating at the end of the set to get the weight up, and eke out those extra reps. From there we went on to the one-arm preacher dumbbell curl. 5 sets also, did 12 reps, and I go non-stop. That means if I get 12 reps on the right side, I immediately go to the left side, right side, left side, right side, left side. So no stopping in between sets. I just go left, right, left, right, left, right. From there we went on to the alternate hammer curls. I basically just used the same dumbbells I used for the alternate regular curls, and banged out another 5 sets, again 6 to 10 reps with a little cheating at the end, and that was the whole biceps workout. Took me about 40 minutes, 20 sets, which is good, I think. if you consider like a minute rest between sets. At the end of the workout, I took a serving of juiced aminos that I already had in my shaker, ready to shake up. I just needed to add water and 2 packs of nitro. Only 2 packs this time because, biceps is kind of a small muscle, and it doesn't really, tax the body that much, and you're not damaging that much tissue. So 2 packs of the essential amino acid BCAA blend of nitro, and I'm good to go. So now it's time to go home, eat another meal before I go to bed, and then tomorrow is leg day. See you next time. Thanks for watching. That was Roman Fritz for Animal Pack, signing out.